And now we got a new package from 3W that we got to open up. So basically, one of my good friends, Carlo, recently bought a 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and the dealer promised him these really cool floor mats as part of the deal. And well, they ended up ghosting him after he bought the car, and they never gave him the floor mats. So me being a good friend, I decided to reach out to 3W to get him some new floor mats. So big shout out to 3W for getting me these floor mats. I'm gonna leave all their links in the description below. So now let's open the box up. Alright, let's get these mats out. Woo, and there they are. Oh man, there's a lot of mats here. So these look like they're for the rears. And then these look like they might be for the passenger side. These look like they're for the driver's side. And then this looks like it might be for the rear trunk area. And look at how nice these are. Very good quality. And then these pretty much snap onto the car. And yeah, I think he's gonna absolutely love them. Big shout out to 3W for sending these out to me. Well, actually, I'm gonna be surprising Carlo while he's at work with these mats. He has no idea I even bought these for him. All right, let's get this thing in there. And it literally just started snowing out of nowhere. Like, look at this. Michigan is so bipolar. It was literally just sunny, and now it's snowing.
Hello.
What up?
What up, dog?
What you doing, my boy?
Nothing at work.
All right, well, open the door. I got something for you. My boy! Man, I'm sorry to interrupt you at work. How you doing, my boy?
Good, good. What's up?
I got something for you in the back.
What do you got?
I got you a nice little surprise. Yes, sir. It's right there, bro. Late Christmas present, my boy.
Are these mats?
Yes, sir. So you know how that dealer scammed you and didn't get you the floor mats that you needed?
Yeah, look at the weather.
I know. Look at that. It's perfect timing, my boy. Take him out. Take him out.
No way.
Yes, sir. Take him out. Man, I told you, bro. I'm not going to forget about your Christmas present, even though it's 3 months late.
I mean, I appreciate it.
You don't got to lay down. You don't got to lay down, bro. You're going to get them dirty.
Wow.
Well, just take out one of them just so you can see what, what they look like.
Hey, these are sweet.
Yeah, you like them?
Yeah, I love them.
I think this is for the driver's side. Let's put them in.
Try it.
So this is Carlo's Jeep. Oh, you gotta unlock it. It's just a white Grand Cherokee, 2023. All right. So we're gonna take those ugly floor mats. You don't need these boys. All right, put these bad boys in there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay.
Hey, these are hard.
Like them?
Look at them.
Hey, look. The cool thing is, right here. Look, you see that right there? You just snap them in there. You snap this other side in there too. Oh, hold up. There might be some dirt under it. Yep, there's a lot of dirt. He don't clean his car. All right, but boom, you snap them in, and just like that, they fit really, really good. Look at that. Can you come look at this fitment real quick?
Let me try it out. Let me test it out.
Go sit in there, my boy. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't fall, don't fall.
No, I'm not.
Ooh!
Damn!
They look so good. Look, they protect your entire car.
Oh, they even protect this too.
Yep, this area too. And they fit perfectly, man. Big shout out to 3W. I'm going to leave their link in the description below. Y'all go check them out. And what do you got to say to them, my boy?
Thank you, 3W. Thank you for the mats. If you see the weather conditions right now, I really need them.
And they also gave us a really big mat for the back. Look how big that is.
Look at their logo.
I know, their logo's sweet. So this goes back here in case you want to take, bags of sand or whatever you really want to do. It'll protect it. And yeah, that's awesome, man.
This is hard.
Big shout out to 3W once again, man. All right, bro. Sorry to interrupt you at work. I'm gonna let you go back doing what you gotta do.
No, yeah, thanks for the mat, and I'm sure you'll email me an invoice later.
Ah, you already know, my boy. Ain't shit free in life, my boy. Nothing's free in life.